Right guys, what is happening? We are at a beautiful abandoned bungalow. We spotted this one as we drove past. We thought we'd have a little look. Turns out this one is quite a nice little find. And yeah, we'll start with a grand tour of the bedroom. And look at this place, guys. This place is absolutely stunning. If you look at this there, come across this singer. Wow, I do love them singers. All these old books, bedtime stories, Rupert, God, sooty. That is old. Looks like that would have been a Bible. Wow. Must have been quite a religious person, I assume. Wow, look at all these beautiful little this tea set here. These little trinkety pieces. Wow, loving that candle holder. Book. These books. Valley of Adventure. Happy Days. Twisted Claws. Oh my god, what's this? Chatterbox. These are really old, these books. Quite weathered in. Oh, looks like you got the toilet there. It's even got built-in little fireplace. And these cosy little slippers. As if you're waiting for the person to come back as they get out of bed. Absolutely nuts. Wow. Loving the cross. What book is that? 1,000 Tidbits from 100 authors. This place is brilliant. Loving it. What an absolute crazy find this is. Oh wow. Look at these. These all coins. Beautiful. Beautiful. So these are quite empty. Look at this cabinet. Come back. This wardrobe. Everything in it. That is really old wardrobe there. Don't get them made like this anymore. That's empty. Come out. Come into this next bedroom. Oh wow. Oh god, look at this. These guys were definitely religious. I'm loving that lamp. Yeah. So we'll come across here. Whoa. Look at this. Oh, look at that bloke there. Wow. This place is full, isn't it? Legs. Yeah. 1985. Whoa. Guys. Loving all these little trinkets. Look at this. Absolutely nuts. These pictures. This whole room. All the chairs and everything. Loving that little bench sat there as well. Coming to this living room now, look at this. A little heater. Loving it. The sofas and the decor. Wow. Another picture of Jesus up there. These candlesticks. I wonder what this is. What that's for. This beautiful electrical fireplace here. It must have been a bit of a late replacement. I can't imagine why you'd have all the kit for a stoking fire and then have the electric fire on top. As you'll see, all the sofas. Very nice. A nice lemon. Look at this. Wow. These old books. Noddy gets into trouble. It's like a letter opener. This is empty. You got the old games and that up there. Got a Scrabble board down here. Looks like at some point someone was doing some work to it to fix it up, but it seems to have stopped, in all honesty. We come into the sitting room, and this is crazy. This place, look at this, like the table that would fold out, there's someone sitting up at dinner. These lovely old chairs along here. Got the fridge. A few little pieces on top along here. Then come back. Calendar 1973. Another cross hanging there. Look at that. It's really nice. Got a digital radio down there. Load of tapes. And you got like the old dolly trolley by the looks of it. Wow. This is a pantry. Look at that, guys. Loving it. Got all their glasses. Everything's all set up. This is a stunning little place. All the cutlery along here. All the plates, the china. Wow. Really liking this place. It's one of my favourite little bungalow explores at the moment, I must say. Temperature gauge. And you got another little pantry area. Got up here, the Tower family slow cooker. That looks old. Little whisker there. Bit of mustard, marmite and honey. Peanut butter as well. It's like an air fryer, that does. Looks quite modern actually. come across to the kitchen. Look at this. This just has like this old feel to it. Reminds me a bit of the Weird and Wonderful house, the way it's set up, but without all the spices and that. Look at all their cutlery here. Look at that toaster. I haven't seen one of them in a long time. For some reason we've got 2 microwaves up here. Got all the little bits and bobs. Oh, I love it when they have all of that hanging up. All your utensils. And then as you come up, look at this. All your pots and pans. It's this sink though, look. It's the old butler sink. Perched up on the brickwork there. And it's an old draining board. Wow. Absolutely crazy. This is a cooker. Look at that cooker. Come in the bathroom. There is a dead bumblebee there, unfortunately. Wow, this bathroom. Absolutely. Just going down, look at that. So that possibly washing machine, where the hot water would have come from. Kind of, not much left in there. Toothbrush, toothpaste, some cotton buds, and what looks like a heater.